There they are. I can't even focus right now. What are they doing out there?
Oh, he cracked his front headlight, dude.
Are you guys ready?
No.
What?
Dude, you
Let's
just
go.
hit this and cracked your front headlight.
I don't care. I got more. Get in. Danny, are you excited?
For a fender?
I don't know. I don't know how to start this, so I
I'm
just started
always
filming
excited.
stuff and crashing into people. Oh my god, he's got another NOS.
He's gonna die.
How many NOSes has he had today?
He's already had 2.
You already had 2 of those?
4.
4?
Oh, shit.
Holy shit.
No, I haven't had any.
No, it's fine.
I'm just kidding. You cracked your headlight.
If you die, all of our views probably double.
For the clout.
The cloud.
Can you just like take one for the team and just die?
Alright, I gotta get gas first before this road trip.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so I guess I'll try to put a fucking intro together, right?
Yeah, no.
Alright, our buddy
reps.
Nick hooked us up with a E30 fender that's used and pretty beat up, but it's free to us. We just gotta pay for gas, and I'll probably throw him some beer money or something. So we gotta drive all the way to Mass, like what, an hour and a half or something like that?
Hour and 10.
Hour and 10. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and so it's not just us driving boring, we can maybe do a fake podcast.
Dude, you got a bugger hand, so you're not.
Don't fuck with my goddamn...
I'm not kidding. It was on this
I
side.
can't see, it's too bright. Alright, so Ian, already on his 4th NOS today, he has one unopened, and he's going in there to get yet another one, because he wants this one and another flavor. He's gonna have a heart attack at the age of 30. You have 3 NOSes in here.
Ian,
Why do you have so many?
if you drink those
Because
all
it's
today,
2 for 4.
we're
No,
bringing
There's
you to
no
the fucking
point.
hospital.
Dude, I can't drink one at a time.
Dude, and that's why I get mad, because I'm gonna take a turn on the highway, and it's gonna roll under my brake pedal, and we're all
I'm
gonna
sorry,
die.
you've got like so many Dunkin' Donuts containers in here, it's not even funny.
I have a coffee. Alright, let's get going. Alright,
I'm trying some fucking.
you really had to do that?
Oh no!
You really
No!
had to? What do you think, dude?
Oh fuck!
You have to slam it. Okay, pretend you had a fight with your wife. Yeah, I told you.
Wow, that
Told you,
works.
dude, I'm not kidding.
Wow, how did I go to that dark place in my mind?
I don't know. I'm kinda worried about you. Well, let me
No,
put in the GPS. I got a
Truck's
camera.
coming. Oh fuck!
Oh my god, it already fell! Hold the camera, I gotta get this. Can you just put this somewhere else?
I don't want the one that's been shooken
you're
up.
fucking testing me today, boy.
I don't want the one that's
You're
shooken
turning
up.
this fun adventure into a nightmare.
And we haven't even left this spot.
The airbag is gonna go off. Alright,
Danny, hold one back there, please.
crack that sucker open, drink it.
Shake it first.
We got cup holders back there too. Shake it first. Don't, that's probably the stickiest drink you could ever drink. Alright, we're on the way, bros. We're... Never mind, I have to type it in a different GPS apparently.
Dude, look at the jizz on my side of the windscreen.
I know. Look, you gotta clean it, okay?
It's clean over there, not clean over here.
Wait, it's Diesel Nick, that's his name? Alright, we're going down to Nick.
Diesel Nick.
Diesel Nick. He's huge in the diesel truck scene. He's got basically
He's
anything.
nuts.
He's nuts. He's really not. But he's got a spare E30 fender that's new to us, kind of rusty, but it's free, and I'm just gonna crash it again, so there's no point in balling it out with like a lot of other expensive parts. So we're gonna turn this little short road trip into kind of a discussion that I don't know the topic of yet, and we're gonna run out of light. And I was just fucking hit this guy because someone's crossing the street, jaywalking.
Don't fucking put it on him.
I am.
Come on, Danny, move over. We gotta see you on camera.
Oh my fucking, there's shit on the floor.
Oh, it's just
He lives in here.
This is my blankets.
What is this? What is this?
It's a chalk block.
It's for...
Oh my god, that's the most ghetto chalk block
That's
I've
part of the kit.
What a kid? There's
It's a
nothing else.
Chevy.
You can fucking use it.
Yeah, no, but show them the design of it. Like, if you put a tire weight up on that, it would flatten.
Yeah.
Just straight up
I could-
flat.
Well, yeah. Well, it's kind of
I
hard for
could
your...
stand on that and it would flatten. Yep, we're bending it right now. We're bending it right now. That's supposed to stop this 8,000-pound piece of shit.
No. You see the spiky side? It's supposed to flatten your tire so you won't roll it.
That's for the ground.
Genius. No, it's for the tires.
Jesus. Alright, the topic of today's conversation is if you were put in the position that Papa John was put into.
Is his name actually Papa John?
Dude, it doesn't
No, it's
matter.
like John something. I
John
don't-
Papa?
It's John
Possibly. That's it. It's John Papa. Would you be able to eat 40 pizzas in 30 days?
I've had over 40 pizzas in the last 30 days.
Honestly, yeah.
No, I could, but I don't want to.
No, but also, what are the sizes of the pizza? Elio's, or are we talking full-size guys.
We're talking just a.
Multi-top.
This is one person. He's obviously sadly single out there for any of our
I've
male
been
viewers
single
watching.
many times,
But he's
and
rich.
I've never put away that many pizzas.
If you had all the money in the world, you're gonna get pizza with it.
Yeah, but
Occasionally.
like on occasion, like one of those gold covered pizzas.
Not 40
No.
of them.
You've seen the
Can't
gold covered
taste- You
pizzas.
can't taste the gold though.
No, you can, but you are that rich. You're not gonna have 40 pizzas in 30 days.
I've had over 40 pizzas in the last 30 days.
Like those people
I
who buy,
will
like,
fucking
Louis V
bet.
bags and set 'em on
Okay,
fire.
I
Gun to my head, I will do it.
Well, I think maybe next month we can do the dollar store challenge item fest thing.
So basically what happens, we're roping Danny into this. He doesn't know about it really yet. But we're thinking of going to a dollar store, picking out some unique, colorful items that are only found at a dollar store that are
Disgusting.
supposedly edible. And we're going to try and eat them on camera. Maybe pick out like 10 items that 5 of us can enjoy, and we will give you our thoughts on them.
Well, we're gonna be working on cars non-stop, but this will be like a break in between.
Though honestly, if we get the option to become a food channel, I'm down for that. I think we're all.
You're just telling me you didn't want to eat 40 pizzas in 30 days.
That's
Now
not
you're
a
telling me you
food
wanna do
channel.
food
That's
channel.
not a.
All right. Well, now we don't have a topic, and now we gotta drive, look at GPS, and film at the
Hot
same
chip,
time.
Lie and be bisexual.
What are you doing back there, dude?
We're watching movies.
Straight up 144p.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Oh my god.
Don't judge.
Dude, when you touch it, it
Oh, cool.
flickers.
I drive through salt and wet roads there and back to work.
Do you wash it?
No,
This thing's gonna rust away.
it's already rusting away. But Danny, what is your plan for the R32?
Sell it.
You're gonna crash it?
No, I was actually talking with Ian earlier about getting rid of it, to be honest.
Yeah, because you get a ton of money for it.
Yeah, because, what's his face, Owen, he got what he paid for his. Because, like, I mean, the values, everyone said the value was going to sink when the R33 came in, but the values are honestly just going up. So I'm not saying I'm going to commit insurance fraud. However, if the
Probably a
R32
good
gets
idea.
a lot of work this year, yeah.
Well, what would you be driving, like drifting or building?
So,
next?
Northeast Auto right now, well, I still haven't visited. I really need to visit them. They have a light pink on light pink. So pink interior, everything. It's really fucking JDM. FD RX-7 right now for $21,500.
Go get it right now.
That's what
That would
has
be
caught
sick.
my eye there.
This whole town smells like cigarettes.
What would you look like if you shaved?
Don't ask me.
Oh my God.
Answer.
Ian,
When we hit 1,000 subscribers, Ian will shave his
We
beard.
sedate Ian, and while he's passed out, we shave him.
That'd be amazing. But also his hair.
Everything. Oh,
Imagine the shock. He'd have no beard, no hair.
Wakes up, he's like, whoa!
Speed.
We probably wouldn't even know who he was. Like, who the
Get
fuck
out.
is this guy?
Get out, you don't belong here.
No, it wouldn't be the first time that we've taken blood on the channel. When we did the ice cream challenge, we took Ian's blood.
Yeah, Matt ran the fuck off as soon as he was like, wow, okay, Ian's blood sugar's actually normal. And then he's like, all right, we're going to pack the test. I'm going to put it upstairs, and we're going to forget about it. And I was like, Matt's
Yep, not
dying.
doing mine.
What's my blood sugar? It was like 120 or
It
something?
was fucked up how normal it was after eating 5 gallons.
It was the normal. It was within the normal boundaries for resting rate. It was on like the high side of resting rate, and I just ate a gallon of ice cream, a half a jar of whipped cream, half a bottle of each chocolate and caramel sauce,
It was normal.
3 cookies, part of a brownie, and I don't remember what else we threw in there. We threw in a lot of shit. It was a cauldron of sugar.
All I can think of is that your body processes things so slow that maybe we didn't see the effect, or you're just absolutely
I don't, because the thing is like I've never got sugar rushes. I've definitely got caffeine
drink
rushes.
4 Nosses a day.
I drink one every 2 days. I didn't have one yet. No, I had one yesterday. That's right. I did have one yesterday, and that
How
was
many you had
horrible.
today?
None. I haven't had a single one yet.
So why'd you buy 3?
Because I brought along. He's an asshole. I brought one. This is the standard flavor. This is the one that I usually find. But this gas station down the street has my favorite flavor, the red. And it's 2 for
Red's
$4.
not a flavor, it's a color.
It's cherry. Fuck off.
red.
It's cherried out.
Tell us if you get stuck. Jimmy rocks.
Show them the hat.
With a daddy hat.
It's a family channel. I know, that's why I brought the hat.
That's cool, dude. All these fans over here.
That's why it's so cool.
Dude, that's not a fan, that's a...
Fan. That's a big fan.
A windmill.
Windmills, they act like generators, and they save the energy, and then when there's no wind out, the windmills blow, using that energy to keep the wind going.
That's not how they work.
Yes, it is.
Both of you are so irritating.
Dude, Nick is the coolest dude ever. He's just like, hey, here's free parts. Don't slam it into the side of my truck. Look at this party car wash going on. Well, you can't even see it. All right, we're gonna clean
It's red now.
Well, we're gonna wash this. But yeah, we made it back from Nick's work. We got the fender. We're gonna head inside to get some refreshments, not more NOS. And then we're gonna hit the road and make it back in time, I guess. That's what friends are for. Adding to your NOS and energy soda. It's the most fancy gas station I've ever seen. What do you think, Danny?
How expensive the beach is.
That is expensive. $8.39.
Everything is rich.
They got little bears. All right, bye.
I hate you.
Fucking exhaust leak or
Yeah,
what?
dude.
Yeah, you can
it
smell the
does.
CO2 poisoning.
Bye. Make good choices. All right, guys. So we made it into the garage. I just dropped off Ian and Danny, but I'm gonna show you guys real quick the plans for the E30 and how much work we got left to do before it looks like an E30 again. All right, so far I need a control arm, needed a fender, which now I have a fender. Thank you, Nick. Seriously, big shout out to Nick. He gave me a new to me E30 fender for free that he had chilling in his basement. And you can see all the little like cat footprints and stuff. But we just gotta vinyl wrap it. The bumper's fine. Side skirt has a chip on it, but it's a drift car, so I'm just gonna wrap over the chip and no one will even notice while you're actually driving it. And it should be all set and looking great after hitting that wall. So I got a new SLR control arm coming in too. That will probably be here probably in like 3 weeks because I know they're flat out on the off season. Well, at least off season from New England, getting everybody's stuff fixed. We've been working on the E36 and we actually have an alternator coming in for that this week. So that'll be done and we'll just be able to make it look nice again and it'll actually drive and that'll be sweet. But that's gonna end it for this video. I'm gonna go inside and start editing this. That way I can get the video up tonight for you guys. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. See you at the track.